Hi guys, this is Hashir from Travel with Hashir and Sisters channel. So I'm back with another video again. So hope you saw my first video guys about the Photoshop, my tutorial. So this is the second video about it. So today we're gonna be learning a new thing which is called blur, where you can make the background really blurry. Alright guys. So we're gonna make the background blur but not the car. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do is that you need to take the magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is a tool where you can like select the subject, alright, like this, and the subject will be selected just like that. Alright. So there are other tools which are like this, but it requires time, like the pen tool. Like you, for example, you click click click. It takes a lot of time. This you have to zoom in, and it at least takes 20 minutes. You have to select this whole car, and then so rather than doing that, you can instead take the wand tool, which is called the magic wand tool over here. Click on select subject. Okay, so guys, only the car should be selected, your object. So you can see over here, right, that it's selecting the road. So there's another tool which can make it correct. Alright, see, it's selected to the road, which is not correct. Alright, it should only select the car. So you can see a small arrow here, so click on that, then click on quick selection tool. After that, click on the minus button. Minus is to decrease, like make it go over here, and plus, like plus means making it going more further. So we don't want that, right? So we want to make it less. So we'll do that, and you can increase the size for the bracket. Uh, you can increase the size for this tool through brackets. Like the left bracket is for decreasing, the right bracket is for increasing. That's stupid. We don't need that. So I'll need this much size only. Yeah. So you can click on it like that. That. Yeah. Okay. So I'll decrease it because I really don't want like much problem. So decrease. And to move the picture, you can click on the space bar, and with your mouse you can move it like that. Click on the space. That's a shortcut key. Here we go. Keep doing like that for the wrong selections. And I think we're ready. Okay now. No, my bad. This tire. See? So right now we don't need the minus tool. We need the plus. Yeah, we need the plus tool. So click on this plus tool. Click on it like that. And see, I told you, as it increases and it goes down like that. There we are. So just like that. There we go. So right now, then you. So I told you that we need to make the background blur, not the car. So so I selected the car, so it should not like the background should only get select, not only the background should get blurred, right guys? So you need to go to images, no, not images, sorry. Go to filter, go on blur, and click on Gaussian blur. Click on it. No, wait, but this is the common mistake which happens. Or when you click on Gaussian blur, it makes the car blur. So to make that correct, click right click, then click on select inverse. Click like that, then go to filter again, do the same thing, go to Gaussian blur, and there we are. See? So I'll click on OK and click Control D for deselecting. Here we go, guys. So also there's one more tool. Also there's one more thing you can do. you can like like how much blur do you want, you can arrange it. So it looks beautiful right now. So there, it's not only this, there are many other blurs which is called the lens blur, like that. You can adjust the brightness like that, and this is the radius. Alright, so this is it. So guys, um I will see you next time, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Okay, guys. Bye bye, and I'll see you soon. Making more videos for Adobe Photoshop. Bye bye.